Tuesday, April 16th, 2024. 90-day experiment. The real Ryan Johnson. Multiple sources of income. Ask any person who has accumulated wealth and you will find that they have and believe in multiple sources of income. Trading our time for money is the worst way to earn a living, yet 97% of people earn their livings this way. We all start out trading our time for money, but we will eventually need to figure out ways to invest what we have earned into something that will continue to pay us interest over time. It may seem reasonable for us to splurge on the things we want when we have the extra money, but the wise thing to do is to try to find ways to make our money work for us. There are many different ways this can be done, like investing in stocks that pay dividends, investing in rental property, starting a franchise, and more. If we don't do this, we may just quite find that at the end of our lives, we have more time left than money. This is exactly what we see when we see every door greeter at Walmart or elderly people still working at regular jobs. It's not likely that these people are just working to get out of the house, but they are working because they ran out of money in their later years. The only way to true wealth is by investments. Even professional athletes who spent their early careers earning 8- and 9-figure incomes run out of money. This is why people like Magic Johnson, Deion Sanders, and Shaquille O'Neal have become investors, because they recognize that once their athletic careers were over, that they might just end up down the road without a nickel to their name. This is not a place we would like to see ourselves. And as a regular folk, it's not likely that we earn $20 to $30 million in the first 40 years of our lives. That means we need to get started by doing the math and figuring out how much money we will need to survive year after year when we retire. Assuming that our houses and cars are paid off and 1 or 2 vacations a year, we can estimate that we will need around $25,000 to $100,000 per year after retirement. The way for us to figure this out is to do a budget, and then after we know our budget, we need to figure out how much money we need to invest, assuming that our investments will bring us around 10% year over year. If we can get by on $25,000 per year in retirement, then we will need about $250,000 invested in some asset that produces for us 10% annual return. $100,000 per year would be $1 million invested. Once we have those numbers, we can figure out by the amount of years until we hit retirement how much money we will have to invest annually to hit our target amount. Let's say we have 30 years until retirement and we have no savings. Not a good situation. We need $25,000 per year to live. Based on our earlier numbers, we would have to save $8,333 per year to reach our goal. That's $694 per month. This is not a goal that is out of reach, but it would be easier the earlier we got started. Assuming the same retirement goal of $250,000 invested, if we started at 18, we would only need to save $5,319 per year, or $443 per month. Start today, and with the help of the 90-day experiment, we will find that we won't have to continue to work until the day we die, but we'll be able to retire on time, even early, by following our well-thought-out plans. 90-day experiment. The real Ryan Johnson. Day 64, multiple sources of income.